ABC News, New York.
A bizarre arrest in Philadelphia. Police finally catching up to a man who was driving the wrong way on I-95, and for some reason he was naked. Authorities say he drove on the opposite side of the road for at least 10 miles, and that chase started in Delaware. It finally ended in Philadelphia last night. No one was injured. We are expecting snow this weekend, but thankfully and hopefully it won't be anything like this. This is happening in Buffalo, New York. Some areas seeing up to 7 inches of snow. And then up in ski country, another foot is expected tonight.
You know, for Buffalo, 7 inches
That's
is sort of like,
bad.
a little bit of a dusting for them.
Right.
So, but for us, we're not going to see 7 inches around here.
Right.
And models are still grinding the simulations that we use to figure out how much snow we expect around here. New information constantly coming in,
right.
So we're refining everything, and I'll share that new information with you right now.
Consistent, though, in that they're all saying there will be snow.
Some snow.
Yeah.
Not a tremendous
Right.
amount. We're not talking about a blizzard, so we're
Thank goodness.
confident on that. All right, let's take a trip to the beach. Looking at clouds over in Rehoboth right now, always a pretty shot. National Harbor, we have a little bit of white cap action on the Potomac because of the gusty winds at around 25, 35 miles per hour. And over toward Roslyn, a beautiful January day and a much different scene on the way as we move into the upcoming weekend with the snow and the forecast. 37 right now at Reagan National Airport. We have 30 at Winchester, 34 in Leesburg. Wind gusts, take a look at this, around 30 to 40 miles per hour, closer to 40 at Reagan National Airport, giving us feels like temperatures that are only in the 20s. Wind advisories for just about another 40 minutes north and west of town. But once that wind advisory comes down, it doesn't mean that all of a sudden the winds are going to totally decrease. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it will stay on the breezy side for this afternoon into tonight and even tomorrow. Here's satellite and radar. It's quiet, it's dry. Going out to lunch, we have temperatures that are going to be in the 30s. Lots of sunshine, mainly clear skies, moving through the overnight hours and into the evening, I should say. Overnight lows 22 to 30 degrees under mainly clear skies. A cold start to your day on Friday, but TGIF, at least it's going to be Friday with highs that will approach the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Here's our next big weather maker off toward the west of us. Noontime Saturday, light snow to the west overspreads the D.C. metro as we move through the evening hours. And then as we head through the evening and then into the day on Sunday, this model here wants to suppress things a little bit farther south of the D.C. metro, and that means lesser amounts of snow. We're going to continue to crank everything out in terms of the models, but right now our thinking is this. This is the European model, and it does show upwards of an inch of snow by late Saturday night, and then moving through the day on Sunday, this model here wants to bring in just around 2.5, almost 3 inches of snow for the D.C. metro area. Worth watching over the coming days. Yesterday, this model had 2.9 for us. Now it's down to 2.6. So the chances for snow at 60% of at least 1 to 3 inches. Some may see a little bit more, especially south of town. That's where the possibility or potential is still there for 3 to 6 inches. And we'll take you out to look at our 7-day outlook that shows temperatures near freezing for the weekend, moderating just a little bit toward the middle of next week. Stay with us. We're back after this.
Call ARS and Rescue Rooter.
It hasn't always been easy, has it? There have been days when you doubted yourself, and days when you were ready to quit, but you didn't, because you had the courage to venture into something powerful: education. If I leave you with just 3 words of advice, never stop growing.
Win the world, highest in customer satisfaction by J.D. Power, and the best warranty in the business, hands down. Even glass breakers.
Beautiful double hung windows, $259 installed. Compare at $600.
Now, DC has a home for the greatest hits of all time. DC's greatest hits live here. 94/7. The Drive.
Is your house less than perfect? I'm Dan from Market Pro Home Buyers, and we want to buy your home.
Don't make repairs, don't pay commissions, and don't wait another day. We'll get you the cash you need. No agent fees, no closing costs. We'll even help you pack and move for free. For a no obligation offer, call 301-750-SELL. That's 301-750-7355 or visit marketprohomebuyers.com. We buy houses as is on your schedule. Call today.
Exploding sunroofs, why the problem hasn't been fixed. Monday at 6.
Now, DC has a home for the greatest hits of all time. DC's greatest hits live here. 94.7 The Drive.
Window World, highest in customer satisfaction by JD Power. The best warranty in the business, hands down. Even glass breakage.
Beautiful double hung windows, $259 installed. Compare at $600.
Happening tonight, ABC is revisiting the Monica Lewinsky scandal, marking the 20th anniversary of President Clinton's impeachment trial. Well, tonight's 2-hour documentary takes a closer look at the tape